All right, some guys have asked, how do you take out the park release handle? Because for some reason, sometimes the clip that's behind the handle, which is this clip right here, connects to that leveler, that this latch right here, which pulls it. So sometimes all you need to do is just replace that clip, but sometimes this breaks and you had to replace the whole handle. For demonstration purposes, I removed a chunk of the dashboard since it was already ruined. I'm here at my favorite place, the junkyard. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove that clip. You got to understand that, of course, you're looking at it from this angle. You got to go up and under it. You got to understand that both sides, this side and this side, is sitting on in a groove. So you just pick it up a little bit like that. Pick it up a little bit. Get your screwdriver on the other end and pick it up, and then pull down. Hold on a minute. That's it. So what's holding it down is that groove and that clip, which goes into that groove. All right, so I hope this helps. Got any questions? Don't hesitate to ask. And for God's sake, if you like this video and it helped you, throw a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, because believe me, it helps. It helps to support this channel, and it helps me to continue on this crusade that I'm on and doing it yourself on the Dodge Ram 2nd Gen. All right, so you took out the other one. Now we're gonna slip this one in. There's a groove. You see the groove on the actual handle brace. There's a groove on the other side too. We're gonna slide it in between here as well as here. So you get it up from the bottom, and be careful that you wanna, when you're pushing it up, you want that cable for the emergency brake to fall inside that hole right here. So I'm gonna push it up. I don't want to clip it. I don't want it to clip until I get this, make sure that this cable is in the area. So there it is. So now I can go ahead and go up with it. And I'm gonna push it all the way up until it clips. There it is right there. So there's it clipped in. So now I'm gonna attach that clip to this cable right here, and it's over. That's it. So the best way is to stick your finger here, and I'm talking about to clip that metal bar onto the clip. It's best that you get the hold of the bar from the back, right from the back, and then push it forward so you can clip it on. That's all she wrote, folks.